What's up guys, this is Mizar and you're tuning into my channel. If you're new to this channel, please do click on the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time a new video is uploaded. Now in today's vlog, I am going to do a room tour. I'm currently staying here at Copenhagen main residencies, which is located in Mandaue. I'm gonna put a description down below so that you can check it out for yourselves. Yeah, so basically I am staying in not a very big room, it's just a small room, but I can rest assured you guys it's very conducive to, or it's very relaxing, and I just like the ambiance of the studio type. So let me just go ahead and do some room tour here first. So as you enter, this is basically the main door from the main lobby. As you can see right there, the hallway here, like that, it's just a narrow hallway, and then just right across this area, like that. This is the bathroom, but I'm not going to film that one first, so let me just go ahead first here. So as you entered into the room, you will see a kitchen. They do have a nice sink, and they do have some, kitchen utensils such as electric kettle if you want to, heat some water, and there's also a microwave oven if you want to do heating on some foods that you have. Apparently, they don't have a cooker, which is kind of a bummer, but that's okay because it's going to be as per request. You have to ask assistance to the staff there so that they can get a cooker. So these are the storage, and then there's a storage up there, and then they have a high table. I'm sorry about the mess because I was doing some reading earlier. Actually, that was last night, so I didn't really clean that one up. And here I actually bought some few foods or snacks because I might feel a little hungry. And they do have also a high chair. And right here, it's a TV, which I don't really watch. And then there's a division here. They put up a, I don't know what type of, oh, it's just only movable something, but it's a good thing that they put this one here because it won't really, the bed itself, I'm sorry for the bed because I just didn't really fix my bed, but yeah, it's okay. So yeah, it's a good thing that they put a division here so that it would separate the bed from the kitchen itself. They also have a fridge. I stored some food here, water and stuff like that, some yogurt for some breakfast, and there's an AC, and here's their, this is actually their cabinet, and as you open the cabinet, they have a lot of, yeah, you can put stuff here. And what I like about the cabinet is their mirror, which as you can see right there, it's so big that you can do some selfies in front of the mirror. Okay, so just close that one. And also they do have some I don't know what you call this thing, but you can put your bags here if you want to. They have also some mini office. I call this place as a mini office, or a table that you can edit your videos or do some reading, other things. And what else? And right here, it's actually a blind, a roller blind. I just open this one up, and this is a veranda. It's a common veranda where people, it's a little bit, okay, let me just try to open that one. So this is the veranda right there, so a lot of things that you can do here if you want to smoke. But this is a non-smoking hotel, so which is a good thing for me. It's a plus. Now, there's a lot of people right there. This is actually a busy street, but I don't know if this. I mean, yeah. Actually, last night I was able to sleep well because even though it is noisy outside, I couldn't really hear anything. So this is a good thing. So let me just go inside because it's a little bit warm. The weather is humid. So that's the main street in Mandaue. I mean, I'm not sure if that's the main street in Mandaue, but yeah, you get the idea. Okay, everything is locked. I'm gonna lower down the blinds because I just don't like the heat comes inside the room. Because you know, Philippines is really warm. So yeah, again, I think that's pretty much it. I mean, the room itself, it's not that big, but it's really conducive. It's really good to stay for a short time. Oh, I almost forgot. Let me just go ahead and go here. This is the bathroom. So yeah, that's the bathroom. There's a toilet there. They provide also some, what do you call it, one towels. And also, good thing is they have a warm shower, which I like. Because my room usually, I actually set the thermostat on my room for 19 degrees. So it's quite cold, but I just do love the cold inside the room because I can sleep well, I guess. But of course, it's a plus factor that they provide a warm shower so that you won't really feel cold when you take a bath. So yeah, that's a quick room tour of Copenhagen residencies. I will put a link down below in the description box if you want to check it out. By the way, guys, once you check in here, it's and it's not a paid or a sponsored video. I'm just going to do some reviews about the room itself. Other staffs are really friendly. I'm not sure why do people gave this a low stars, but it's okay because again, for short-term stay, Copenhagen is a good choice. If you are staying near Mandaue, and then it's just 15 minutes away from the airport, and this is also fantastic. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. If you want something, if you know someone, let me just go ahead and go outside first before I end this video, because you know, nandito na naman tayo sa hotel, so might as well that to feature their lobby or feature their outside place. Let me just go outside first muna para that you can really picture out the view of this hotel. So as you go, it's so bright. Let me just lower down my, okay. So this is the hallway, by the way. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, that's the hallway. And this is the building itself. You can see there's a parking lot down there, a lot of rented spaces, offices. Basically, it's just a condominium. Then on the top floor, on the 7th floor, the restaurant is located. Apparently, they're not open up until 2 p.m. I guess they're just only open from 7 a.m. up until 1. So they don't have any dinner, which is kind of a bummer, but that's fine. And if you really want to stay in this area, I will definitely say this one to you guys, that they don't have that much of a restaurant within the area. I'm not sure why it is that they don't have restaurant inside, but within the area. But again, it's just near the airport, which is a plus factor for me. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it, guys. I'm just gonna end up this video, and yeah, I'm looking forward for another video. So see you next time. Bye.